guys, today's a big day. Sea Lao Travel's heading out to Laos. See what I did there? And the locals pronounce it as Laos, and I've never been to Laos or Laos in my entire life, so I'm super excited to show you guys some beautiful vlogs and beautiful content out in Laos. And yeah, I'm about to hop on a 2-hour flight from Bangkok out to Laos, and I should be there around 12 till 30, so let's go. Hi! This is like a tiny, tiny plane. I'm so surprised my bags fit up there. Oh my goodness. Thank you. Alright guys, we finally made it to Luang Prabang. I am excited to be here, but we have a lot to do before I can head to my hotel, so let's get it over with. Chris. Yes. Same. So that was a quick visa on arrival process. As an American, you need to get a visa on arrival heading to Laos. It was around $45 American, and they require you to have cash, so make sure you bring $30 to $50 in cash. Besides that, I paid $6 for 6 gigabytes of data over the next 1 to 2 weeks. And yeah, I made it out to Laos. I'm super excited to be here. This is my taxi driver I got from the airport, and it was $6 to get to my hotel. And it's only about 10-15 minutes directly from the airport, so it's not that big of a territory. And yeah, it is crazy hot right now, and I should be at my hotel in the next few minutes. Thank you, Juan.
Okay, bye.
Thank you so much. Sanctuary Hotel. This is where I'm staying at for the next 3 nights. Hello. Checking in, yes. Alright, so I got here a little early. I'm waiting for my check-in to process right now. My driver, Juan, was absolutely great. Tomorrow we're heading to the Waterfall, me and Juan, in an AC van, negotiated from $37 American all the way down to 29 bucks. Confirmed with the front desk, I got it for a very good price. Basically, you could pay a tuk-tuk driver the same price, $29, and they'll take you to the Waterfall, but I got a private van, so I'm really blessed. And when you're coming out to Luang Prabang, there are so many temples out here. However, I am templed out from the last 6 months, so I'm not gonna be checking out any temples. I'm gonna be showing you guys some of the prices, some of the food, beautiful viewpoint tonight, and I'm gonna be showing you guys the waterfall tomorrow, which is the main reason why I'm out here in Luang Prabang. Here, check it out real quick. So she was telling me this is Luang Prabang, so you can tell it's a very, very, very small town. This is where we're at right now, at the Sanctuary Hotel, and these are all temples all over the place. And this is the viewpoint, Poussey Mountain, which we're heading to tonight, and then the night market is right over there. So everything is close by. I'm gonna be checking into my room shortly, getting some food, and then I'm gonna wait until dusk, or yeah, it's called dusk. And then I'm gonna be heading up, hopefully getting a beautiful sunset, some cinematics, and I'm gonna show you guys the night market before tomorrow heading to the waterfall. This is beautiful here.
Thank you.
It's very zenful. Thank you so much. So they gave me an upgraded room here at the Sanctuary Hotel. I am in the deluxe room. Check it out really quick. You got a fridge right there. You got a TV. You got a beautiful bed right over here. You got a little working space right over here with window views. And walking right this way, you got the bathroom. So to my left, you got a little tub right over here. You got the sink. You got the toilet. And you got a stand-up shower. And it's an absolutely warm welcoming since I got out here. The people are very, very nice. And there's a lot of similarities between Thailand and Laos. It's kind of like a brother and sister type country with each other. Laos is a little bit less developed, but there's a lot of similarities with Thai and Laos. So in Thailand, when you say thank you say khopun kap. Out here you say khop chai. So there's a lot of language similarities, and there's a lot of similarities in general. So I'm gonna be out here for the next 3 days, 4 nights. Right now I'm gonna relax a little bit, probably get some food shortly, and then around 4 or 5 o'clock I'm gonna be heading to the viewpoint at sunset and the night market. Oh, this bed is so comfy. Alright guys, got a good little rest right now. The sun is going to be setting in about an hour and like 10 minutes. I'm going on a 10-minute walk and then 300 and something steps up a mountain. It's called Poussey Mountain, and it's the best viewpoint and the only viewpoint out here in Luang Prabang. Here, let's get to the steps real quick. Sunset, hopefully get a good sunset. Alright, so at 4 p.m. starting in the day, this is the start of the night market. This is the entrance, it's only like 2 blocks from my hotel. There's a lot of restaurants, a lot of cafes, and this is the night market of Luang Prabang. All right, that's pretty cool. I think this is the start of it. Alright, so this is definitely the start of it. 300 something steps. You wanna see how fast I can do it? That quick. Just made it up here. Oh my god. That was fast, wasn't it? And check out the view real quick. This is beautiful. It's like front rows open. I feel like there's something about the seat besides burning in the sun. This is beautiful. There's so many people up here and they're not willing to sit in like the first bench or anything like that because the sun's like beating on it. So they're waiting for the sun to go down. I was smarter this time. Sorry, Dustin. So this is like one of the hidden gems. No one is here, but everyone else. And like the clouds just started blocking it. That's beautiful. So this is the temple up here, right over there. I think I'm gonna head down 300 steps and check out the night market real quick. You got some colors. You do not want to take a tumble down these. Mount Poussey, Mount Poussey. Okay, whatever. If you guys like tourists, but pretty good sunset. Sky actually got a lot better. A little pastel cotton candy and it reflected in the water. Come to this spot. So I'm just gonna walk around, get a little food, check out the night market. Again, pretty similar to a lot of things in Thailand, just like more of a Laos type twist. That was a good hike though. I'll catch you tomorrow. Good morning! Alright, good morning guys. So this is the first full day out here in Luang Prabang and I'm with Juan again. Buddy. And we're heading to Poussey Waterfall right now. This is the main reason I came out to Luang Prabang. There's 2 waterfalls out here. Poussey is the best one. So from the city it's about a 50-minute drive and we should be making it to the main attraction, Poussey Waterfall. That's the waterfall. We're not even there yet though, so majestic. Juan, you're majestic. Wow, no one is here. No one is here, no tourists.
Oh, about
11, 12?
Yes.
That's great.
12.
Oh my goodness. All right, so Juan and I made it to Poussey Falls. He was saying that there's tourists all over the place around 11 and 12 o'clock, so we left at 8 o'clock. It's like 10 minutes to 9, so if you guys are trying to avoid tourists, come in the morning. There's no one here. No one at all. And everyone's like setting some stuff up. There's a lot of shops, there's a lot of souvenirs, a lot of restaurants. Supposedly it'll get packed, but this is perfect, honestly. So this must be the entrance right over here. Looks like it's 20,000 kip. Cup chai. So it's 20,000 kip to get my ticket to get to Poussey. That's about $2.35 American, and we're at the entrance of the waterfall that way. There's absolutely no one around except for Juan and I. Supposedly it's not far of a trek, but we'll see. Nature AF. Oh, this is pretty awesome. So this is like a free the bear sanctuary where they rescue all these little brown bears or black bears and they save them basically. You could see them sleeping over here. And I definitely don't mind promoting businesses like that rescues the animals. Doesn't do any unnatural tricks. Oh, spider web. But we're getting closer and closer to the waterfalls. Oh, look at him. He looks so comfortable. It's like names of each bear. Oh. Oh, it's like over there. Wow. This is beautiful. Beautiful. Oh my goodness. And we can walk all around?
Yeah.
Okay. Welcome to Poussey Falls. This is the main reason why I came to Luang Prabang. Apparently you can trek everywhere, so we're gonna walk around and check out this waterfall. It's powerful. Well, one's telling me it's like high tide right now, so it's really powerful and the water is really high, but bueno. And one thing, I love that no one is here. It's literally just Juan and I with the waterfalls to ourselves. Holy smokes. successful drone flight. Great shots. It's just so nervous, but I risked it for you guys. There's so many trees around, so there's literally trees everywhere. And like after I shot the drone up, I'm like looking around like where's it at, where's it at? Because you want to be super careful not to hit a tree or else all your footage is lost. But awesome drone flight. The water is really, really cold and it's really powerful. So there's a lot of signs that says deep water, do not go in. But we're just enjoying it, getting some awesome shots, awesome content, and there's no one around. This is the big waterfall you saw in the drone shots. Oh my. Whoop, 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 whoop. I'm like so excited I'm running. This is beautiful. So we started all the way down there and we made it all the way over here. And one thing, if we didn't have any camera gear, all this stuff on us, you could actually climb to the top of the waterfall and trek up there, which is kind of cool, but whew, people are getting wet over there. Not bad. Not a bad place. Nature. Wow. This is so beautiful. A lot of people are showing up right now. And of course when we're about to leave, the sun's out, but we had all morning to ourselves. Highly recommend, check out Poussey Falls. This is the main reason why I came to Luang Prabang, and it was highly worth it. Definitely come in the morning, leave your hotel at like 8, because you'll have like a full hour, hour and a half photo shoot by yourself. Totally worth it, but a lot more people are starting to show up. Yeah, we're gonna get out of here right now. We had a great time for the last couple hours by ourselves, totally by ourselves. My guy, thank you so much, Juan. My guy. So we're gonna head back to the car right now. And it's only a 50-minute drive back to Luang Prabang, so I'll probably head to the hotel. Nature! You fine. This is completely empty, this place, when we got here. I'll take care, thank you so much, I appreciate it. Thank you. Bye-bye. Oh, what an incredible morning, and the sun is finally out right now. Juan's such a good guy. Again, I paid around $30 to get a full trip out to the waterfall. It only took most of the morning, or half a day, let's say, and it was just so much fun. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna head back to the hotel, I'm gonna chill, and I might start some editing. Alright guys, what an awesome time it's been out here, only for less than 2 days in Luang Prabang. There's so many temples to see, viewpoints, Mekong River surrounds us, and even the night market in one of the most beautiful waterfalls I've ever come across. This is the main reason why I came out to Luang Prabang, was for that waterfall you guys saw from this morning, and it is absolutely stunning. I would highly recommend come out to Luang Prabang for a few days, check out that waterfall, head to a couple temples if you're not templed out like me, and definitely surround yourself with the beauty of Laos, which is all over Luang Prabang. Unfortunately, I'm only here for 3 days until I head on a cruise to Phak Bang, which I'm super stoked for. And keep in mind, the thing about Laos, the prices are a little bit cheaper than Thailand, surprisingly. So the beer was $1.17 that I had for lunch yesterday, and it was a big one. And this bowl of noodles that I ended up having was only like $1.70, and it was absolutely delicious. Laos is absolutely beautiful for landscape, for waterfalls, for little adventures that you can do. And I'm super stoked for the next 7-8 days being out here, vlogging my full experience on the cruise, and heading out to the elephant sanctuary in Phak Bang in a few days. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog from arrival yesterday and to today's waterfall, which is the main reason of coming out to Luang Prabang. And I hope you guys enjoyed the last couple days. Make sure you guys smash the like button, comment down below if you guys have any questions for me, and hit that notification bell so you guys are notified for the next Laos vlog coming out, which will be cruising from Luang Prabang all the way to Phak Bang for an 8-hour cruise. Thank you guys so much for watching. I look forward to catching you guys in the next vlog.